Whether you're using your phone for navigation or listening to music, it does seem that nowadays we can't really ride our bikes without having some form of way to hold our phones on our bike. So depending on the layout of your bike, you may prefer to have your map going this way or going this way. To help with this, Rammount have got a new rotating mount, which allows you to change the orientation of your phone or whatever that you've got mounted without you having to undo or fiddle around trying to sort that out. You just twist it to wherever you want it to stop and then it stays right there. Because our bikes are rattling around quite a lot, it might get a little bit loose. So all you need to do to tighten it up, on the back there is a screw, and we just tighten up the screw, and that makes the whole rotating thing that little bit tighter. I've taken it off the back of the mount and this is what it looks like, and it's the usual rugged ram mount construction. It looks really nice. It's not that complicated in build at all. 4 little screws so you can mount it on the back of a flat plate, or if you use the 2, it's the same as the diamond shape on the back of most of the ram mount stuff. So it fits on the 4 screws or the 2 screws and the 1 screw to adjust the setting. It's nice and rubbery. Nothing wrong with that. Nice, solid ram mount quality there. Alright, that's me finished messing around with this rotating mount. If this is something that you fancied getting, I'll put all the links that you're going to need in the description below. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, Ciao.